Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to show you how to make passive income online using StanStore by selling digital products and promoting affiliate links. So now let's get started. First, visit the StanStore website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. You will need to choose a plan that allows you to sell digital products and include affiliate links. Once logged in, head to your dashboard and click on Add Product. Upload your digital products, whether it is an ebook, templates, or guides. Make sure to include detailed descriptions, pricing, and delivery options. StanStore automates delivery, making it super easy for passive income. Next, add affiliate links by clicking on Add Affiliate Link in your dashboard. You can promote products or services that align with your niche. Make sure to craft persuasive call to actions for higher conversions. Platforms like Amazon Affiliates or Share a Sale are great places to find links. Now to drive traffic, share your Stand Store across social media platforms, blogs, or even YouTube. You can create content around your products and mention your store in the bio or the video description. The more traffic, the more potential for passive income. So to truly make it passive, automate your marketing with email lists or scheduled posts. Tools like MailChimp or social media schedulers can help you regularly promote without much effort. And that is how you can start generating passive income on StanStore by selling digital products and promoting affiliate links. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.